Papayag ba tayo kung hindi sasayaw si Mayor dito sa gitna?
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through.
You want more? Pakisama kayo sa September. Kasi yung September, kasi September ngayon, no? Hingal ako. Hingal talaga ako. Ang hirap maghanap ng pera ko. Ang bigat ng bukas sa Mayor. Mayor ako sa oras ko na tingkat ng isip ko, Mayor.
Ito pa malakasan ang music namin panay. O gano'n. Sinusunod namin namin pa. Do you remember 25th of September? Love is changing night and tender. Love is changing tonight. I was there. My heart's a ringing. And you feel so deep. Just you can't see the light to the girl through the city. Sino nga na tayo wala? Alapakan natin na hindi na po kami nitado. Masabay-sabay ang parang mga dito. Thank you. Host! Maraming salamat!
Once again, thank you so much, Daniela Diva. Thank you so much for bringing joy and fun. And we would also like to give thanks to Mr. Yudes Castillo for bringing you here, and also to the local government unit of Biliran.